Good day, ladies and gentlemen, to the mining news on Commodity TV. And the good news from US gold mining continues. The company has just released an updated mineral resource estimate for the Whistler Gold Copper project in Alaska in the USA. The estimate includes drill results from 2023, a revised geologic interpretation within the Whistler deposit, and updated cutoff grade assumptions for the entire project. The indicated mineral resource stands at 294 million tons at 0.68 grams gold equivalent per ton for 6.48 million ounces gold equivalent, and the inferred resource stands at 198 million tons at 0.65 grams gold equivalent per ton for an additional 4.16 million ounces gold equivalent. Estimated gold equivalent ounces in the indicated category have increased by approximately 117% compared to the 2022 estimate. The resource estimate was constrained using a series of conceptual pit designs for the Whistler deposit, which assumed a first phase of an estimated 22.4 million ounces of mineralized material, grading 1.04 grams gold equivalent per ton at a strip ratio of only 0.08 to 1. Fantastic. The company is currently systematically exploring nearby targets within the Whistler orbit, where a further 12 potential targets remain unexplored. Not yet included are the recently reported confirmation results from the reintroduction of WH2301 drilled in 2024, which included an extension of the mineralized intercept to 652.5 meters at 1 gram gold equivalent per ton. The 2024 core drilling program has now been completed, with 4,006 meters drilled in 6 holes. Absolutely top values. Osisko Gold Royalties announced preliminary third quarter 2024 shipments, revenue and cash margin, cash and debt as at 30 September 2024. Osisko earned 18,408 attributable gold equivalent ounces called GEOs in the third quarter this year and recorded preliminary royalties and streams revenues of $57.3 million and preliminary cost of sales excluding stripping of $2.2 million in the third quarter, resulting in a quarterly cash margin of approximately $55.1 million or 96.3%. As at 30 September, Osisko's cash balance was $58.5 million. The company's revolving credit facility was $80.7 million drawn at the end of September 2024, with an additional $469.3 million available to be drawn, plus an uncommitted credit facility of up to $200 million. Net debt is now reduced to $22.2 million in the third quarter after debt repayments of $27.3 million. Very good, and please don't forget the company pays a quarterly dividend. Endeavour Silver announced its production figures for the third quarter of 2024. The production volume amounted to 874,717 ounces silver and almost 9,300 ounces of gold, which corresponds to a production volume of 1.6 million ounces silver equivalent. The current year's total production to date is 6 million ounces silver equivalent and is on track to meet the updated full year 2024 production guidance between 7.3 and 7.6 million ounces silver equivalent. The failure of the ball mill trunnion at the Guanaceví operation is a major short-term challenge for the company, but ultimately it is how we manage through this difficult period that is often critical to our long-term success, explained CEO Dan Dixon. The ingenuity, dedication and hard work of our team has been instrumental in reducing the impact on mine operations and the surrounding community. We remain focused on minimizing the impact and look forward to returning to the Guanaceví operation to full production capacity in December, said CEO Dan Dixon. During the months of August and September, production at Guanaceví decreased to almost 769,000 ounces silver and over 2,800 ounces gold due to the failure of the primary ball mill trunnion. The estimated timeline for production is still 15 weeks and the mine will be back in full operation in December 2024. Bolañitos is on schedule and the construction of Terronera is also on schedule so that a mine start can still be expected before Christmas. During Q3 2024, a total of $25 million was drawn down from the credit facility for the development of the Terronera mine, and a further final amount of $35 million was drawn down after the end of the quarter. You can also find all the information on our Commodity TV app in German and English, as well as everything to do with commodities. We look forward to your like and, more importantly, please subscribe to our TV channel. Please note the disclaimer. The shares discussed will be part of the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificates, and I am or will be a shareholder in the companies. Thanks for watching us, and bye-bye from Switzerland.